yeah. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. You people should wake up, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀.
Ẹgbani ẹlàjà láàrin Adetoun ọmọ Aree wa àti ọlọ́lá jùlọ His Excellency Dapo Abiodun. Kí ló tún wá ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn báyìí? Ta gan ló máa làjà tó ń bẹ láàrin wọn? Ta ló fẹ́ làjà? Fídíò ilé mọ̀tún lágbára. Ká jọ̀wọ́ ká dẹ̀ share rẹ̀. Ká fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì léde. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn? Ká gbọ́. Fáyìn tẹ́ ń bá wa bọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Ká wò.
You people should wake up, ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Yeah. It don't happen. Ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Matter ti scatter o. Where is Dapo?
From Iperu to Abeokuta, the ambulance you call anywhere. Even kò sí hospital kan tó lè gba emergency victim. Ní immediate access yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti kúrò Peru, pé ti kúrò Peru. Lọ sí Ògèrè, lọ sí Ṣìún, lọ sí Ajébọ̀. Lost Abeokuta. There's no emergency anything on that road. There's no immediate hospital. Don't let take in accident victims. Near in that axis. Osoro. Maya can run see yawo. Because the Biara Peru no.
Shebi, I told you we will bring you down to our level. Cause the governor kokoto makapa sope fuwa. Laye, you are a public servant. You are a public servant. You are elected. But the koko is that you belong to the masses. Eru gbogbo wa ni any politicians. And Asiwaju has said it. Press, hold your governor. Asiwaju did not say beg your governor. He said hold your governors responsible. So, the business will concern me and Dapo. Now hold Dapo responsible. If you have any emergency, they don't have sexual agenda department. They don't have youth and development. You have to be waiting for SF for Joe to wake up from Canada. That one will now say, Auntie, let me see what I can do. As if they are doing you a favor. Kilo day. I don't want to you. I've told you. I don't tell you now. We will bring any governor's shoulders down. You cannot be above your citizens. Lie. You cannot be superior. Like, we are principal, we are major in that page. Let us know. Afiko malo party. Dapo, olu omo party kani. Ko on this month shows fun le ko yemi. Come and take penny, or to kase gedebe. And you will be talking, addressing people with arrogance, as if you are doing us a favor. Is it your money? Is it not federal allocation? Is it not state funds? Is it not taxpayers' funds? You will address us with humility. Fellow citizens of Ogun, my children in Ogun. Kinshepo mama shebeni po shewalore. Dapo has done airport. Now be Dapo build airport, yo. Now be Dapo build airport. Airport project has been on for years. So make anybody no come tell us Lamba story. Nobody to come and tell us Lamba story. Ambode started some jobs. Someone who completed it. So what are you people saying? As if they have done us a favor. As if all this infrastructure road, this is a favor. It's not a favor. It's our rights. So you will give it to us with all humility. Stop clapping for anybody. No. Apart from road, without kinikon road. Please, what about amenities? What about amenities? What about welfare? Which is more important? What about security? What about education standard? What about health? Dapo, make we things for the public. Show it to us. Let us see it. It is our father's country. Awalani etowani. You are not doing us a favor. You can privatize your personal pictures and your personal affairs. We don't want to see those things. Any politician where don't they post happy birthday to Kinikon, happy birthday to my colleague, happy birthday to Senator Kini. Share Senator Law appointing you. Give us feedback of the election that was done. You people be putting yourself in high caliber places, be greeting each other. I congratulate my fellow brother. Fellow brother, you will come down to our level, Dapo. You will come down. And I have warned you. Don't abuse power. Don't. Let police do their job like they do for every citizen. Somebody said he went to station, he stayed 45 minutes. The police where they wait for, they don't go Ejigbo. Then go. It's as good as they kidnap. At Asiri station. At once. What is this man even projecting to us? Afiko Malo Patricia. Àfikún máa lọ party ìṣá. Ambassador of Ogun State display Kampala and Ankara in parties. Ó gbé Kampala lọ́wọ́ small shops. I have never seen a page where they even say, okay, we are empowering 100 women and 50 children. They are doing Kampala and Ankara and they are showcasing it to the world. We are sponsoring them to go to Canada. We are sponsoring them to go to America. We are sponsoring them to go to Europe to go and showcase Kampala and Ankara for export. Courtesy Ogun State. Ní Ibo. Ṣebí Lagos ti ẹ̀ṣin ní rice. Àfikún fún rẹ̀ wọ Kampala ìṣá. Ambassador of Ogun State Kampala showcasing it in every party. At the small shops, I'm sharp, my cocktail. Our my job and talk about with the Go to all over social media.